Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money online with affiliate marketing, even if you have no experience and no money. Now make sure you stay to the end of the video because I'm going to show you my favorite free traffic source, which is super easy for beginners, and how you can use it for yourself today. So we're going to go over which affiliate network accepts affiliates worldwide. Now what an affiliate network is basically a place where you can find products that you can promote for a commission. We're going to go over how to sign up for the affiliate network and how to find a product to actually promote within that affiliate network, how to actually promote it and where to put your links. And the fourth one, I'm going to show you my favorite free traffic source, and I'm going to tell you why it's my favorite free traffic source. So make sure you stay to the end of the video. So for this example, we're going to sign up for 𝗤𝗍𝗘𝗡𝗎𝗡. As you can see here, this is a marketplace. It's free to sign up. It's worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you're from. You can sign up for 𝗤𝗍𝗘𝗡𝗎𝗡. Another one that I use is called clickbank.com, but sometimes clickbank bans people immediately upon sign up. I'm not sure why they do that. So if you're having troubles with clickbank, you can sign up to 𝗤𝗍𝗘𝗡𝗎𝗡.com. Alright, so let's sign up with 𝗤𝗍𝗘𝗡𝗡.com. Alright, so as you can see here, the most rapidly growing reseller platform and affiliate network in Europe, now serving affiliates, vendors in the United States or English speaking markets. So if your country is predominantly English speaking, you should be able to create an account with 𝗤𝗍𝗘𝗡𝗎𝗡. So what you're going to do, you're going to select here if you're a vendor, an affiliate, or both a vendor and affiliate. What a vendor is someone that is placing their products to be promoted by other affiliates. You're going to enter a username here. So I'm just going to enter a random username, Max Payne. What this means is that the 𝗤𝗍𝗘𝗡𝗎𝗡 can track any sales that happen as a result of a sale that occurred from someone clicking your link. So if we look here, Max Payne, that's our username, and then the product ID would be the ID of the particular product that you're promoting on 𝗤𝗍𝗘𝗡𝗡𝗡.com, and then this is just 𝗤𝗍𝗘𝗡𝗡𝗡.com's domain. So you're then going to enter an email and repeat that email, enter a strong password, enter your time zone. I'm in South Africa, so I'm going to enter Johannesburg. Well, let's put a random email in here. Let's actually sign up. So max@gmail.com. Okay. Then over here, you just put in your personal information. First name, last name, address. Put in the right information for this because you're going to have to give your details in order to get paid. So you don't want to run into issues with tax and things like that when you're getting paid. So make sure you put in the correct details and your real details. Otherwise, you might have issues later. So once you've done all of that, you can click sign up, and now you have a 𝗤𝗍𝗘𝗡𝗡𝗡 account. So this is a view inside the 𝗤𝗍𝗘𝗡𝗡𝗡 app. So I've gone to the marketplace, and if you look here, you can search between the vendor view, the affiliate view, or you can go back to the home page. Right? So we're currently in the affiliate page. These products here are the product categories per niche that you would look, depending on what your niche is, you would select. Let's say your niche was let's say fitness and health. So you would go into fitness and health, right? And then from there, there's all these fitness and health products that are sitting in here that you can promote. So I just want to go back here. I just want to show you one more thing that's in here. Oh, I didn't need to go back. Alright, and I want to explain what these billing types are. So the products are split between single payment, subscription, and installment. So the more expensive products are normally paid off in installments. So that means you'll get your commissions in installments. There's some low ticket items that you get paid immediately upon sale, and items that you get paid in the first month, but it's a subscription based product, so you will get paid every month, usually for the duration or for the lifetime of the person being subscribed to that particular product. So you can go through each of these niches and pick and choose which niche resonates with you or which niche you're promoting, and choose a product. So in this example, we're going to go to fitness and health. Let's look at this ultimate keto plan. Make sure that you read all of this so you can see exactly what you're getting. You can see exactly what the sales pitch is and how to go about promoting this product.
So usually these affiliate programs would have affiliate materials. So what these affiliate materials are basically strategies that can help you get better results in promoting this product. Because this is a keto product, I would create a niche keto account and post content for keto right up until the point where I can put a link to my bio. So after going over all of the materials, you will click promote. In this case, it doesn't have a promotion button, but this is the actual promotion link or the affiliate link. You copy that in, and if you put it in here, that is the actual affiliate link, and this here is my actual affiliate ID, so that I get paid whenever I promote this particular product. Alright guys, so this is very important. If you're doing free traffic or even paid traffic, if you're using any sort of social media, whether that's Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, any of them, they usually don't like affiliate links in the bios. And the reason for that is that it hurts the user experience. If the social media platform starts feeling a bit spammy, then Facebook or Instagram, TikTok, they're gonna shut down your posts, they're gonna start to shadow ban your account, and you're not gonna get any traction. So how do we bridge this gap? You need to create a bridge page. So the one that I use is ClickFunnels, and I'm going to talk about ClickFunnels a bit more in my next video. But if you don't have any money, you can use this one that we are in right now in my screen, and it's called Linktree. Okay, and the best thing about Linktree, it's absolutely free. Right, so let's get started in Linktree and promote one of the links. Signing up on Linktree is very easy. All you need is to create a username, enter your email, enter a password, agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy, and then you sign up. Alright, so we're in Linktree, and what you're going to do, you're going to go here and press add new link. So once you've added a new link, you're gonna type here the title. So in this case, I've said get free access to the keto plan, and then you're gonna put in the URL right here. And then as you can see on this side, my link tree. So this is a link that you would put in your bio. Okay, here it is sitting, and this is the link that people are gonna get when they click the link in your bio. So I've blurred out my one because this was my old personal account, which I don't want you guys to know about.
Mind your own business.
So at the beginning of the video, I said I'm going to tell you what is my favorite free traffic source. So it's TikTok. If you look at TikTok, the reason I like TikTok is the fact that you don't need that many followers to go viral on a video. People love to be entertained, so the views are cheap, the views are easy, and you just need to be consistent with your posting in the beginning, and that's how you're going to get a lot of views. This is a good example of a niche account. So this page does purely cooking related videos. You can see here she has a link in her bio where she's selling her ebook. So in this case, she's not an affiliate because she's beyond being an affiliate at this point. She's selling her own products, but perhaps when she started, before people knew her, she would be selling keto related products, right? So if you look at the page, it's just purely niched items, purely cooking related products, and she's grown this page to 6 million. She's no celebrity, she's just a normal person that was consistent on TikTok and grew this page to 6 million followers, and now she's in a position to sell her own products. So just to recap, we spoke about which affiliate network accepts affiliates worldwide. That's digital24.com. Alternatives again could be clickbank.com or jbzoo.com. We spoke about how to sign up and find an affiliate product, how to promote your products, and never forget that you need to have a bridge between your social media accounts and the affiliate link. Otherwise, your accounts will be banned or shadow banned, your posts will be shut down. And I gave you my bonus. my favorite free traffic source, TikTok. I highly recommend that you get into TikTok right now while the views are still easy and cheap. Remember a few years ago, Instagram used to be easy and cheap to get views. Just follow, unfollow. Now it just doesn't work that way. So get on it before it's too late, or you might have to wait till the next social media platform pops up. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It will help the video with the YouTube algorithm so that it gets out to more people that are looking to make money online with affiliate marketing. Hit the like button, comment down below, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video where I go more in detail about how I'm currently making money online with TikTok. This one's not going to be as short. I'm going to be going more in depth, sharing my screen and everything. That being said, I think you're going to enjoy the video on the screen. So make sure you take action, stay healthy, stay focused, and stay tuned. Bye guys.